Assalamu alaikum to everyone. Welcome to Mathematics Point. Students, today I am uploading the lecture that is regarding to the D1, Chapter 5 and Exercise 5D. Basically, the first and the last lecture of this exercise is not uploaded. I am uploading this video on the special request of one of my audience, Summer. So, hope so that when I'm moving with the sequences, so I will upload all the lectures, remaining lectures of this chapter. So without any delay, we move towards the question number 7 on page 129. I again repeat it. It is the chapter 5 of book D1. So, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. If y is an integer and it satisfies the inequality y 5y less than 20 and 2y less than or equal to minus 6, find all the possible values of y. So first of all, if you watch that video which I have uploaded, I also give that link in the description, in which I identify what is the difference between the integers and the numbers. So integers are those numbers, again repeated, that are whole numbers. Integers numbers are not in the form of fraction. So in this question we will find the possible values of y using these two inequalities. It will be equal equation if when there is equal sign, when there is a sign of greater or less than or equal. So these equations are called inequalities. So we'll move towards the solution. Before moving towards the solution, I request to all of you that kindly subscribe the channel, and if you like the video, so please like the video, also share the video, and if there is any query and any other request, so put your request in the comment box. Thank you. So the equations are, you just write down the equations. 5y less than 20, this is one equation, and the other equation is 2y less than or equal to minus 6. So it is inequality equations. We will find out the value of y. Y in this equation is the variable. So we separate this variable from this constant. Y, as 5 is going to be multiplied with the y, so in the other side of the sign, this y as it is going to be multiplied, so it's going in the division. Whenever you change the terms from one side to the other side, so their change will be inversed. If they are going to be multiplied, so on the other side of the equal or any inequality sign, they will going to be division. And if they are divided, so they are going towards the multiplication. Now 5 1s are 5, 5 4s are 20. So 5 less than 4. Now we'll solve the other equation. 2y less than is equal to minus 6. So again we separate the y, this variable, from the constant. As 2, there is no sign, any sign between 2 and y. When there is nothing, any sign, then definitely there is a sign of multiplication. 2 is multiplied with the y. So on the other side of this equality sign, 2 will be going in the division. Your sign will be changed basically. Y less than or equal to minus 6. This 2 is multiplied, so on the other side it will be going in division. 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6. So you have y less than is equal to minus 3. Now read this equality. Y less than 4 and y greater than minus 3. What does this mean? What will be the possible values of y? Y is greater whenever there is this sign, this slash basically down, or this slash in your sign. That means that the term that is written next to this will be also included their values. When there will be only this sign, that means y is greater than minus 3. When we have this equal sign, that means y value started from minus 3. So we have the values of minus 3. Y is greater than from this. That means greater values are minus 2, minus 1, then 0, 1, 2, 3. We didn't take the value 4 because there is no this sign. And one thing more, y is less than 4, not less than or equal to 4. So we'll take this value. These are the possible values of y. Keep one thing in mind, whenever you have the situation when your signs or your terms shifted from one side to the other side of the equation. Suppose I am taking this 5y this. Whenever this sign will be in the I will take this 5 for example in the division. Now 5 is divided in the denominator, y is divided by 5, so whenever I shift it on the other side it will go in the multiplication. Same is that in the question we have constant 5 multiply with the y, so when we shift on the other side of this sign equality, so that y is divided, move towards in moving the denominator. We can also remove or separate this variable as it. There is an other method. I want to separate this y from this constant. So what is our coefficient of y is 5. So divide 5 on both sides. This 5 will be getting y is less than 5 ones are 5, 5 fours are 24. So you can use any possible easy approach. So it is all about the question number 7 that is specially plotted on the request. Hope so you'll understand this question. If there's further any queries, so kindly put your query in the comment box. Allah Hafiz.